Hi everyone, Javen here. In today's video, I'm going to be cutting my hair using a wireless hair clipper. It's going to be a fun and easy tutorial. Enjoy. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, click the bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more videos. Okay, starting off with the contents of the box, you get this cloth here to cover your body so no hair gets to your body. You get all the variety of hair clipper numbers from 1 to 6. 1 being the shortest, 6 being the longest. And then here's a hair oil, to put it on the blades so it's more lubricated and can glide more easily. And here's what it looks like. It's a really nice looking silver cordless hair clipper. It looks really nice, it feels really nice in the hand. I can feel that it's really going to be easy to use. Okay, so starting off, you can see that the side of my hair right now is sticking out. It's only been a couple of weeks, but due to the hair density of our hair, it will stick out just because we're Asians. So just a quick shout out to this company who sent me this wireless hair clipper. If you want to buy the same one, I also included their link down below. Okay, getting started with the haircut. I'm going to be doing clipper number 1 on the side of my hair and the back of my hair. And you can see that I'm just using the mirror over here, the self-cut mirror, to cut my hair. And there's no fading that I'm doing. All I'm doing is just cutting clipper number 1 on the side of my hair and the back of my hair all the way up to, right below my top hair. I'm always cutting my hair in an up and outward motion just so that there's some natural fading going on. Once again, it's up and outward. Okay, so moving on to the next step of my hair cutting process, I'm going to be using some regular scissors. And the cutting scissors is just to do my hair fringe, making it shorter because it has grown out. I want to cut it just above my eyebrows so it doesn't poke my eyeballs. And now I'm using the hair thinning shears just to thin my hair. This means I'm just reducing the bulk of my hair without reducing its hair length, as you can see. Next, I'm going to be using the hair clipper again to shave my neck hair. And now, after the shower, I'm using argan oil on my hair just to hydrate it, make it really nice and smooth so it doesn't dry out. I'm beginning to really like the argan oil, so if you want to try it out, link is in the description as well. So this is the final result, guys. Just the short sides, longer top. So the next day, after sleeping 8 hours, here's how my hair looks like. It's still pretty much staying in place. I know the fading could be better at the back, but it works for me. It's good enough because after a week or so, it will just grow out again and I can cut my hair again. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Have a great day and check back next time.
Lately it's been hard for me, and baby it's been hard on you. Lately you've been hard to read and we just don't fall through. You haven't been on my mind, boy, I don't got no time. I ain't stressing.
Yeah, hey, girl, how you been? It's been about a year, haven't seen you since. It's crazy, ain't it? How we used to be so close and we were making it. It was us against the world and we were playing it. Plus me and your affection, we were craving it. There's a bunch of things I wanted to let you know.